Hey, hi, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to format numbers which has a dot in the thousands and comma in the decimal point. So, as you can see, a data here which has for the thousands instead of comma, it has a dot. For decimals, should have been dot, it has a comma here. This is a European style. So, we need to change it to UK or US style. So, what we can first, you can select the data, the column, enter E column. Use Control F to replace. Go to replace. Under dot, dot is under thousands, right? So I'll go to find dot and replace with any other special characters. So let me give it as say I'll give it as underscore. Replace all. Okay. Now under the decimal point we have a comma instead of dot. So what I'll do, find comma, and we need to change it to decimal. That is, I mean, into dot. So I'm going to select a dot to get the decimal point. So replace all again. So now you can see all that decimal point has been with the dot. Now for the thousands, that should be comma. So we have already given underscore. So I'm going to find underscore, replace with comma, and replace all. And now you can see the data get got changed as per the US or the UK style now. So now we have the, for thousands we have comma, for decimal we have the dot. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other function so that I can create a video on it. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.